Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to talk about Gold Mountain mining. People are saying, why did I sell this? Yes, I have sold it, and there were a lot of reasons. First of all, they have hit their maximum capacity of tonnage, so they are not allowed to produce more than a set amount, so they have hit that tonnage. So the only upside that I see is higher grade, right? Other than that, they have delayed the PEA. It should have come out right now, but they delayed it for a few quarters. So that's a bad sign. Another problem is the drilling is also delayed. So they're probably short on cash. So many problems. There's also a debt payment that needs to come soon. And then there is the last problem, and you can listen for yourself. So this is the New Gold first quarter conference call.
Are referring to. I apologize. I don't think I've seen that before, but I'm not sure if you had previously mentioned that. But if you could explain what ore purchase agreements are, that would be helpful.
Okay, so as you the new Afton mill is having a mill throughput capacity of 14,500 tons per day, and we can increase to 16,000 tons per day in peaks depending on the work index. Actually, we are using just say 60% of this capacity. So, and we have neighbors around us who are more smaller operation. And for us, it's an opportunity that we look at. So this quarter, the ore purchase agreement is mainly generate for us 2,500 ounces of production, and it represents mostly 7% of the new Afton in term of revenues.
Okay, so 2,500 production, right? So they got 2,500 production this quarter. Now, we probably know that this is coming from Gold Mountain Mining. So the 2,500 production is coming from Gold Mountain. Now, how much did they produce in January? You can see that here. That was the update. They said here January, right? January. And they delivered 1,100. So 2,500 minus 1,100 is 1,336 for the 2 months, February and March. So let's divide it by 2. So that's 670 ounces per month of production that they will have in February and March. Now we add this to it, that's January. So how much production is this for that quarter? That's this plus the 1,336, right? So this is the amount in the 2 months plus the 1 month gives us 2,500 per quarter, right? So 2,500 was actually the production that's going to New Gold. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. 2,500 production coming from Gold Mountain Mining. So first they produced 1,100 and then the production came down to 670. So they have not been able to keep that grade or the tonnage because the production has gone down in the subsequent months. So February was probably not that good. They also said that February was bad. Maybe March was better than February. We don't know. But it was 2,500. That's exactly what New Gold said. That's the production right now in the first quarter. And if you do 2,500 times 4 quarters, that's 10,000 production. That's not nearly close to the production that I want to see, 14,000 to 19,000. It's only 10,000. So the numbers for the first quarter for Gold Mountain Mining will be bad based on what New Gold is telling us. Our purchase agreement was only 2,500 for the quarter. Yeah, so that's not good. So this means that Gold Mountain mining could drop a lot when the results come out for the first quarter production. And they will need to report that first quarter production. So let's see what happens when we use 10,000. Then you can see $10,000 production. Yeah, the costs will probably be much higher then. It's probably going to, yeah, it's like 40% lower production. So this is going to be much higher. Let's say 1,300. So the valuation drops a lot. Could even be 1,400 because 40% drop in production. So yeah, it's not going to be great. There is no upside then if they keep producing at this low rate. Downside could be 10-20% if the market knows the numbers. So I would sell it. I mean, there's a much better company here, Soma Gold, which is my largest position now. And this has a triple, quadruple upside. Much better than Gold Mountain Mining, knowing that they only produced 2,500 ounces in the first quarter. That's not good. So that was the update, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.